3 points that you would like to recommend to our health authorities. Do you think wearing mask and temperature checks are enough, or there should be more precautions?
I think they could already see.
नमस्कार। आज के एपिसोड में दिखाने वाला हूँ मैं आपको हाउ सेफ आर द प्लेसेस इन मुंबई कितना सेफ है शॉपिंग और घूमने के लिए। हाय व्यूअर्स, एक्चुअली मैं आज हूँ एक बहुत ही अच्छा मॉल जिसका नाम है ओबेरॉय मॉल, एंड द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई फाउंड इज दे वेरी क्लीन, वेरी हाइजीनिक। हर फ्लोर में दे रियली हैव गुड सिक्योरिटी चेक्स। For example, I'm here, so I'm holding this. Every time, for example, every 10 to 15 minutes, they really sanitize these things. And थोड़ी देर पहले मैं कॉफ़ी कैफे में गया था. There also the checks are very high. And there is also a spectacle showroom called Lenskart, जहाँ पे मैंने ये नोटिस किया कि they are also very particular about cleanliness, hygiene, and they have 3 to 4 levels of check before you enter the shopping mall, and वो UV ray से हर बैग को चेक करते हैं. So I really found it's worth. And अगर आप वीकेंड में आपको टाइम नहीं मिलता है, so I mean weekdays I would recommend, because weekdays में the footfalls are less and you find it more safe. सो दोस्तों, जैसे कि देख सकते हैं, आई रियली लव दिस कैंपेन, लेट्स अडॉप्ट द न्यू नॉर्मल। सो बिजनेस, इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन। बिजनेस भी हो रहा है और आपको भी शॉपिंग करने का और डाइन आउट करने का मौका भी मिल रहा है विद लॉट ऑफ शॉपिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड प्रिकॉशंस। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, एवरी फ्लोर इज रियली सैनिटाइज्ड very well. They're very sincere about it. Today we are also going to ask the locals and Mumbaikars how safe they feel. Wearing mask is definitely mandatory, and there are of course some places, for example, every restaurant has made a particular number of people or a particular set of people to enter inside. तो मैंने यहाँ पे ये भी नोटिस किया that every floor they really have a good thorough check system. For example, I was in the other level, तो वहाँ पे जैसे वहाँ से मैंने यहाँ पे एस्केलेटर में नीचे आया, so I also found it safe, because the first impression was कि पहले मुझे ये लग रहा था कि only in the entrance they are really good, but every time, every place that I got down, I found it's absolutely great. So I recommend this mall for shopping, and I found they're hygienic and the quality of safety procedures are also very nice. Display of Arogya Setu, mandatory temperature checks, sanitization at the entrance, number of limits of customers, everything मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगा, और आप कभी भी ये महसूस नहीं करेंगे that you are unsafe. From floor to floor, they really have security checks so that every customer is safe. Hello viewers, so I met actually मैं 2 students से मिला आज. बहुत ही अच्छा बड़ा मॉल है. It's in a posh district called Inorbit Mall, and I'm asking them how the safety measures and standards and hygiene standard in India, especially after lockdown. तो मुझे इनसे ये जानना है कि क्या सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो किया जा रहा है, क्या वो सेफ फील कर रही हैं इंडिया में। सो व्हाट्स योर प्रोफेशन?
I am a student and I'm also working as a makeup artist.
ओह लवली, ओके। एंड क्या आप इंडिया में जब आप ट्रैवल करती हो मुंबई, क्योंकि मुंबई तो बहुत बड़ा शहर है,
Yes.
तो क्या आप अपने आप को सेफ फील करती हो?
Yes, definitely.
And do you think wearing a mask is a big problem for you? Like, is it a
It is not a problem, definitely, but it is not the most comfortable thing also.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel it is important to wear a mask, but I don't like wearing a mask.
okay? And what do you think about the vaccination? Government is talking about vaccination.
Yeah.
So how hopeful are you? Are you hopeful that कि ये vaccination आपको
Yes,
ठीक?
yes, I am very hopeful. I am sure the vaccine is coming soon.
Okay, that's great. And especially जब आप public transport, do you take public transport or do you have your own?
I am avoiding public transport. I have my own car, luckily.
Okay, so do you drive your own car?
Yeah.
So what would you suggest if someone, especially I have viewers in India, Europe and America, everybody watches this. So what would you suggest them when they come to Mumbai? Because for example, I don't live in this city. So but I take public transport like the rickshaw or the
Yeah,
Ola and all.
yeah.
So do you think they also follow some safety
Yeah,
signs?
yeah. I had traveled once or twice in an auto and I told him to sanitize. So he took a sanitizer spray and sanitized the entire auto before I sat. So I was, a little bit satisfied with that.
Okay, so we were recently, you were in the mall, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and how safe is the
Yeah, the mall security is really good. Before we enter, they are sanitizing our hands, they are checking our temperature. So I feel that's really good.
Okay, awesome. And any suggestion that you would like to give, especially tourists who just started traveling, because now the weather is good in Mumbai.
Yes, it is
Everybody
definitely.
started traveling. So
Yes.
what would you suggest our viewers?
I would definitely suggest you should start traveling now. कितने दिन तक हम घर पे बैठे रहेंगे? And just make sure you always use a sanitizer, always wear a mask, and yeah, take all the precautions. And I feel it is pretty safe to travel now.
Have you started traveling?
Yes, I did.
Wow.
Yeah.
And which all places have you traveled?
I've traveled to Mahabaleshwar, Lonavala, Pune, all the places near Mumbai.
तो क्या आपको हर जगह safety standards वगैरह मिला?
Yeah, definitely.
And have you started eating out in restaurants
Yes,
and all?
yes, I have.
Superb. So आपने देखा कि people are feeling safe in India, and this is what I see from the last 3-4 days. So that means there is no worries. You come and have your vacation in India, guys. Okay, I'll show you other places in the next few days. Hi viewers, with me there are 3 local. I met them in a mall called Inorbit Mall, and I'm asking them questions on do they really feel safe while coming for a shopping? Do they feel the government as well as the shopping centers have got adequate measures in terms of not spreading this virus? So let's hear from them. So hi.
Hi.
And so in general, what do you do? Are you students?
Students.
Okay, great. And do you come to these shopping centers during weekends or during weekdays?
Usually weekends.
Usually weekends.
Yeah.
So how safe do you find? Is it safe to come for shopping? Do your parents restrict you or whatever?
Parents do not restrict us, but yes, it's definitely not safe. There are like a lot of people inside already. Like so now we just grabbed our Starbucks and we're doing it. So it's definitely not safe. There are a lot of people here, and according to rules, there are not supposed to be as many people as there are. But India being India, this is what it is.
Okay, and do you think now Europe? I mean, I live in Germany, so they don't have more people, in general, but they have second lockdown. Now, what do you think? Like India is blessed that we don't have. I'm in touch with.
People in India don't really care.
Don't really care?
They
Okay.
literally do not care. I mean, even during lockdown, people were outside roaming around.
Okay.
So it's not care as in they actually India में they were better than us. We have not seen London and Yeah, but like in India, many
mask
people were
भी
not
as long
allowed
as there was
outside.
mandatory lockdown, people did follow
No,
it.
yeah, people did follow.
But as soon as they opened the lockdown, people did get a little careless. Like if you do go around these local markets, people
Go
walk
around
without
without
masks
masks.
in huge numbers.
So आपको क्या लगता है शॉपिंग मॉल्स ओपन होनी चाहिए या there should be restrictions on number of footfalls?
Malls should be open. It's like how long are you going to keep people inside? But of course, there need to be more restrictions in terms of the
more
numbers.
security measures.
Yeah.
No, the shops are fine. They don't take a lot of people inside. There is
Yeah.
a number.
There's a number, right?
Yeah. But the malls, it's
Malls
different. If you go to individual stores inside the malls, they have numbers.
3 points that you would like to recommend to our health authorities to make these things better that you see in your eyes, not in terms of statistics.
Better, I think.
I'm not sure. There should be.
There could be like reservations that I'm coming to Innorbit Mall between these hours.
No, definitely not that.
Okay.
Because then it won't give like there's no equality then. People who cannot have these reservations.
Yeah.
So that's the case. But I think so
Okay.
people themselves should have that. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. But what if people cannot afford to have it?
Right. Okay. So very interesting question. Are you all proud to be Mumbaikars?
Yes, definitely.
3 reasons why are you proud of being a Mumbaiker?
We've grown up here, and like this is kind of like we're just students, so this is kind of the only world we have seen till
Yeah.
now, till date. Once
Oh.
we go step out for college, then probably our
We'll open up.
mindset will change. Yeah.
Okay. So right now, so I'm just asking a question like, are you all proud to be Mumbaikar? You have to say cheer, okay? So are you all proud Mumbaikars?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, and I wish you a lovely weekend.
Thank you. Same to you.
सो दोस्तों ये तो आपने देखा मुंबई के शॉपिंग सेंटर्स का सेफ्टी गाइडलाइंस। बाकी आपके सिटी में कोविड-19 की वजह से क्या सेफ्टी गाइडलाइंस हैं, हाउ इज द सिचुएशन, प्लीज राइट बिलो इन द कमेंट्स। एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई एम शोइंग यू क्लोज टू द मरीन ड्राइव in Mumbai